After 21 years of marriage, my wife surprised me with an unusual request. One day she said, "I love you, but I know there is another woman who loves you deeply too. And she would be very happy if you spent some time with her. Why don't you take her out for dinner and a movie?" The woman my wife was talking about was my mother. My father had passed away 19 years ago. Since then, my mother had been living alone. Because of my busy work schedule, I could only visit her occasionally. That night I called her. "Mom, would you like to go out for dinner and a movie with me?" She sounded worried. "Is everything all right? Are you feeling okay?" she asked. I reassured her and said, "I just thought it would be nice if we spent some time together, just the two of us." She paused for a moment and then replied softly, "I would like that very much." That Friday evening, I picked her up. She was standing at the door, her hair beautifully curled. She was wearing the same dress from her last wedding anniversary. She smiled like an angel. We went to a warm, comfortable restaurant. My mother held my arm like she was the first lady. I began reading the menu for her because her eyes could only read large print. She watched me with a nostalgic smile and said, "When you were little, I used to read the menu for you." I replied, "Then tonight you should relax and let me return the favor." We talked so much we forgot about the movie. After dropping her home, she said she'd invite me next time. But a few days later, my mother passed away suddenly from a heart attack. Some time later, I received an envelope. Inside was a receipt from the same restaurant and a note. It said, "I paid this bill in advance because I wasn't sure if I would be able to be there next time. But I paid for 2 meals, one for you and one for your wife. I love you, son." We often delay the words "I love you" and the time we should spend with the people who matter most. Life doesn't always give us a second chance. Show them your love while you still can.